Okay. We want to run Dapper headlight bulbs because they're pretty badass looking bulbs. They got the ring around them, it lights up, turn signal. They're just pretty neat. The problem is they're too deep to fit into a stock bucket. So you see we took a set of stock buckets and cut them out to make the bulb fit in there. Now the problem is you got all that exposed to the world on the back. So you can't do that. So we made our own headlight bucket. You can see the difference between a factory headlight bucket and our headlight bucket. Now our headlight bucket will facilitate the Dapper bulb. Hands down. Fits right in there. It rotates inside. So when you're adjusting it, you're going to end up seeing all the hardware installed in this. But this is what we went to get to where we wanted to go. Also our bezels, never liked the idea of the screws on the outside and the way they fit. So we made them in fiberglass. They have a reverse flange on them, which was a little complicated to make, but if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. 2-part mold. There's a 1/4-20 weld nut that's glassed into place, and you'll see a stud installed in that. So that goes into the headlight bucket. It goes through the bucket, comes on the back side, and it's how you fasten it. The other thing I never really liked was the molding fit. And so we made our own molding that fits. Okay? We increased the size. We gave it a little backbone to it. Gave the spears a little butt. And so now we have a spear that will line up. On the back side of the spear, another 2-part mold that's finished on the back side. It's only finished to hold our fastener. So we have this mechanical fastener that we get that's made in Australia, I believe is where it comes out of. Gets bonded in. You'll see how that's done. And then everything fits onto the car, so all the fasteners are hidden. You know, back in the day when I started in this business, we were kind of shunned on for customizing. I shouldn't say kind of. There's a lot of people that didn't appreciate what we did or liked what we did. And when the Restomod thing started coming out, it made it exciting. It made it to where I always wanted it to be. And so today, you got the Restomod and you got the custom. Some of the folks go by, well, I want to keep it original looking. I understand that. But you want that Restomod, you want the convenience. So if you got the urge, you want to step it up a little notch, we're going to help you step it up that little notch. Have a little bit more fun than the guy down the street. It's all about expressing your thoughts, your talents, your feelings, and having fun. And God, am I having a lot of fun at this right now. So we'll keep moving on. Thanks for watching right now.
Can I get that in carbon fiber or chrome?
If you insist. If you insist, we're made the mold so we can carbon fiber, which would be pretty badass if you look at that, put on the car carbon fiber. Or if you still want the look of chrome, we can get it chrome plated. It'll look good.